How to deposit funds into OANDA? First of all, open your browser and make sure you are logged into your account. On the home screen, click on Manage Funds to access your account options. From this section, select Deposit. Choose the account you want to deposit into from the drop-down menu. Next, select your preferred payment method such as debit or credit card, bank transfer, or other supported method. Then click on Continue. Enter the deposit amount you want to fund into your account and click Continue to proceed. Then provide your payment details according to the method you selected. Carefully review all the details, then click Confirm to complete your deposit. Your funds will be credited to your OANDA trading account once the transaction is successful. Card deposits are usually instant, while bank transfers may take a few business days. Now you know how to deposit funds into OANDA. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more trading tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.